Where to find the edge lighting feature, enable it and set it up for apps so that you can get that light up effect. This is a Samsung phone with Android 15, One UI 7.0. To find edge lighting, go ahead and bring down your quick access and tap on the settings right there. Once here now, go down to the part that says notifications, this one right there. As you enter into the notifications section, you're looking for notification pop-up style, this right here. As you enter here, the first thing you want to do is make sure you are in the brief option, this option right here. So select that so you can see all these here. If you are in the detailed option, you won't see anything, so you'll have to be under the brief option. Now here, this first option here would basically say which apps will have the edge lighting feature. We'll get back to that in a moment. We'll look for here now, edge lighting style, which is where we want to go. So as you enter here, if you haven't set up any of it, you'll most likely be set to none. Now, if you do decide on the one you want, you can go ahead with these here and just choose the one that's right for you. And with the latest update, it seems that for flagship tier phones, they have also removed some. Each style will have different options. Glitter will only have effect and advanced, if you notice that there, but the others will have effect, color, and advanced. So basically with all these here, let's just say I go with the firework one, which is my favorite one, and I go to the color, I can have it go into another color. So instead of it being in a blue color or the auto color, you want to switch to color first. Then you can choose what other colors you want. So maybe you want it in yellow, green, which I like green, and you can see now it's in green. For the advanced options, you can adjust the transparency as to how visible it is or less visible. So low is actually going to show the most and high is going to make it less visible. The width is basically how thick these bars are going around your phone edge. So the higher, the wider it is, the thicker it is. And of course, duration is how long the lighting effect will play. At default, it's basically about 2 seconds and then 3, and I think it's like 4 in all, but I usually leave it at the shortest. Once you're done with all this, you can press done. And now you have your specific set edge lighting. We'll go back up here now where it says apps to show as brief. When you enter here, basically you can choose to have it enabled for every app, and every app that gets a new notification will have a edge lighting. But that's gonna use up your battery life and you don't want that happening. So if I were you, turn it off right here and just turn it on for those apps that you want edge lighting to show up for. So maybe like messages and messenger, every time you get a new notification, your screen will light up while on the home screen. So now edge lighting will show only for these two, okay? And of course, if there's any other apps you want it to show for, it's up to you to show it for all or those specific apps. So we'll come out of here now, and now we'll go by this special feature one here, color by keyword. So what this one does is, let's say your edge lighting effect is color green, but there is a specific word that maybe you wanted to show up in another color. So I'm gonna say maybe the word Tommy. Now, every time I get a message from Tommy, he is going to give me a different color. So I'll press the plus after I type in the word or the name, and Tommy now is gonna be in blue, and I can tap on Tommy here. All right, and the color area here, I'll show you right now, this little color area here, you can tap on it and select it for another color. So instead of all my effects in green, Tommy will now be in red. Every time the notification has Tommy in it, it's going to show up in red. And you can do this for other words or other names if you are interested in that there. And the last option would be show even while screen is off. So the edge lighting can also show up while you're in a lock screen view mode every time you have a new notification. And that's that with this guide here. Like and sub.